door. 5, 6, and I'll pick up 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 9, 10, oh, 9.
Kangaroos coming at the back. Kangaroo!
Kangaroo! That's my girl.
Bye-bye! Lotte!
Show me the
I'm Pastor Tony, and I'm the pastor at Naimasimasi AUG Church, and it is situated at Naimasimasi village in the province of Serua. And what I'm trying to say here is that the people in this village, they need not to further the education of the kids. But the real problem is that we're staying in the village, and especially we are far away from the towns, and we need a lot of assistance. Yeah? And the only thing that I felt that God has been laying in my heart to tell other people, if they want to help, is in this way only to help the people in this village, especially the children, in their education. Help the people in education. That's the best thing.
It's all free.
Just for free.
Yeah.
So I mean that'll take a bit of the load, but we rely heavily on donations.
Right.
Heavily.
Yeah. So the flood that high. And what was here?
This was a wooden building which used to have some of our clinics from there.
Right,
Yeah,
just got washed away.
Just got destroyed.
Wow.
Thank you, Mr. Dick. I just want to thank the team and people of Tasmania for the great help. I know you are really supporting us, and my prayer that the good Lord will continue to bless the kids here, the kids that came to Fiji, and their parents for supporting them and sending them to Fiji to bring all these supplies for our hospitals and small nursing stations. And my prayer, the good Lord will richly bless each and every family out there in Tasmania. Thank you.
Yunaka.